Hi there, economics students. Welcome to Unit 3, Macroeconomics. So, last unit we had microeconomics, and that was looking at individual firms and companies and products and things like that. But this unit we get a look at the macro level, which probably, as you guessed it, is the level that really shows us the big picture, right? So we're looking at things from the national level, so things like gross domestic product, the Federal Reserve, or as I shall lovingly call it, the Fed from here on out, unemployment, fiscal and monetary policy, and at the end of the unit we actually get to go on a virtual field trip to the Federal Reserve Board, where we get to learn things like there are lots of these around the nation, and probably the most interesting part is when you get to see like the cash vault, because let's face it, a lot of money kind of makes us excited, or at least makes me excited. So we're going to use lots of those resources, and that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoy the unit, and make sure you take a look at the crash course down below to kind of introduce you to macroeconomics. Thank you, guys.